Alright, let's actually build a header. Now you'll recall that the header size is 870 by 150. So we'll click on File, New, don't save that, don't need it. Now I go to Image, Attributes, and I'll make it 870 by 150. Now all I have to do is make sure that those images I just made fit inside here. So now let's go, and if you'll click on Edit and Paste From, we can go in here and start pasting our videos in. So let's look for the RV Big 1, and as I recall, that's going to go over here. Okay, Edit, Paste From, RV Big 2, whoops, and that one will go on that side. So that gives us our two anchors. Now all we need to do is fill in the center with some smaller ones. So we'll go in here and we'll take whatever comes along here, RV3. Alright, move it down here in the bottom. Another one. Go for RV4. Move it wherever you want it. Paste From, RV5. Now let's say you put one in here that you don't really like. I'm not crazy about that. It's an air conditioner, but it's pretty hard to tell. So I can move it around, or I can just delete it. Although I'm not going to use that one. Let's move on to 6. Air horns. You gotta have air horns, right? And one more ought to do it. If that fits in there, we're finished. Okay, so now we have our basic header. All we need to do is get some text in it, and we can use the text right here in Paint if we want to. I happen to have Snagit, and I'd rather use that. So, well, just to keep everything simple, let's do our text in here and see how it turns out. Okay, to use Paint, we go over here and click on the A and draw a rectangle up here, and we start typing in the box. Now we might have to go up here and click on View, Toolbox. Yep, that was that one. Text toolbar, that's what we want. Okay, let's take this text size down to about 22, and now we just start typing. And on this one, let's put a tagline on the top and put the domain name down below. Okay, I've got RV Accessories Review in there. I'm going to go a little bit bigger with that. I'm stumbling with this because I don't normally work with Paint on this part, but alright, do we want that bolded? Let's see. Alright, that's not too bad, and then we can kind of move it around a little bit. I think that's too much. Let's bring it back this way. Okay, let's call that good. All I should have to do then is click on this. And now let's put another little rectangle down here in smaller print, put the domain name in. So we need a toolbar again. Text toolbar. Okay, it's not going to show, I guess, till I draw the... See, this is what happens when you stay away from a tool for a while. Click on A again and draw a rectangle down here. Alright, and let's take this guy down to about 18, and now let's put the domain in. Okay, we've got the domain name in there now. Now you can if there's something you want to do, you can go up here and click on edit and undo and take it out. There's also an eraser over here. Most of you have probably used Paint before, but basically that's it. Now all you have to do is save this as an image. Let's do that. Save as, let's call it RV header 4. Okay, and save it. Alright, let's go back over to Artisteer and put that in. Okay, back at Artisteer, let's go back up and click on header and click on no image. That'll get rid of the one that's on there. Okay, and now let's go over and click on from file, highlight RV header 4, open that, and there it is. So that's all there is to it. Now another little trick I might want to show you. Remember we made the background of the header black? So let's assume you want to put a bar across here to separate your header from this. So we can go back over here to layout and actually let's go to header and then click on height and take it down to 175 and see what happened. Because our image is 150 and we've opened up the header to 175, now we got a bar across there. Alright, so just another little trick you can use. So you can see that with just a little bit of applying yourself and learn how to use this tool, you can make some very useful themes and get your affiliate sites up and running very quickly.